So I've been having a bit of a play with air in my car. I put a compressor under the bonnet and I'm going to run air line up to the back, and on the left hand wheel arch cover I'm going to put a retractable air hose. And I don't want to have a gauge in the handheld tyre inflator, so I'm going to put a regulator set at 40 psi just before the retractable hose, and hopefully that means I can just run the retractable air line out to the tyre, latching chuck on the valve, and leave it there until the tyre gets inflated. Let's see what we can do here. I think it's going to be the air line from the car will come in this fitting, and this fitting. I think I'm just missing a part here, maybe this one here. This is not the right part for it, but it will do for an example, or for me just figuring out what works and what doesn't. So it'll come out of the compressor under the bonnet, will come up into the regulator there, compressor to the back of the bonnet, along the back of the bonnet and down through underneath the floor sill covers into the regulator. Going to need a gauge in here. So I think I'm going to mount that on a short piece of hose and have it facing out where you would take the hose from the retractable reel, and this is going to be accessible down through the cup holders. The tyres take about 1 minute or 70 seconds to go from 17 psi to 38 or 40 psi. The compressor I've got is the high performance single pump ARB compressor, which I put in there and I was wrapped with it. It's way faster than what I expected it to be. I had an old pump of a similar size in an old 80 series I had, and it took forever. This one was so much quicker. I was really impressed with it. So that's going to be the plan for this weekend. Pull the car apart, install these bits and pieces to it, and have an easy way to pump up the tyres.